Imagine this. You're working on a project and you need a voiceover, but hiring professionals is costly, and robotic software just doesn't cut it. Sound familiar? Every content creator faces this dilemma. The time and money spent finding the right voice can be daunting, and sometimes you just don't have the luxury to wait or splurge. Ignoring this challenge means risking subpar audio, which can drive away your audience and dilute the impact of your message. A robotic or uninspiring voice can spell disaster for your project's engagement. Meet Speechelo text-to-speech, the game changer that brings your words to life. In just 3 clicks, you can generate human-sounding voiceovers in over 30 languages, all for a fraction of the usual cost. Speechelo's vast language library makes it perfect for global projects. With 30 languages at your fingertips, you're ready to cater to diverse audiences with ease. This software offers a natural tone and inflection, so your audience will never guess your voiceover is AI-generated. Say goodbye to robotic monotony forever. Users rave about Speechelo, with over 95% rating it as the top text-to-speech tool. It's helped thousands create compelling content without breaking the bank. Ready to revolutionize your audio content? Click the link in the description to get Speechelo for just $47 today and start captivating your audience instantly. Don't miss out.